Elsewhere, National Construction Authority plans to introduce the use of drones to map and monitor compliance in the construction industry. NCA Executive Director Engineer Maurice Akech says the use of technology will be critical in reducing cases of malpractices in the sector that has seen more than 200 Kenyans lose their life due to collapsing buildings. The authority has also said the shortage of building inspectors is hampering the inspection of buildings in the country.
According to research conducted by the National Construction Authority on the collapse of buildings, Kenya has recorded more than 100 building collapses in the last decade. In 2021 alone, more than 10 buildings collapsed in various parts of the country, killing more than 20 people. To this end, the National Construction Authority plans to employ technology to monitor construction sites. This will see the agency use drones for site mapping and inspection. NCA Executive Director Engineer Maurice Akech says the agency has prosecuted 18 people for disregarding NCA warnings and continuing construction and has so far suspended the licenses of 26 contractors. Akech says the reduced manpower at the agency has made it cumbersome for NCA inspectors to inspect the over 300,000 buildings under development in the country. He further blames the rise in collapsed buildings to lack of coordination among players in the construction sector, adding that regulation is not a singular task and NCA plays a coordinating role, working with other agencies to ensure free flow of information, optimization of resource and knowledge sharing.
We did a research in 2018 which gave us, of course we may think we know why buildings are collapsing, of course we know, but scientifically we need to analyze and find out, and we came up with 6 strong points why they are collapsing, and those are some of the things we're working on. Coordination came out to be a very strong thing, which is part of our mandate.
Incompetent professionals in the counties, national government and key regulators in the building sector are also contributing factors. Akech is urging players to adhere to the building code and adopt the best practices in the industry. Caroline Jenga for Lunchtime News.